Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. This video is very important for DNB and those candidates who are looking to get a seat in DNB in any clinical or non-clinical branches. Because I will be telling you the passing percentage in last three sessions of the final examination uh, for all the branches, as you can see here. If the screen is coming little blurred, then I request you to join the Telegram group. The description has its link and we have already shared over there. You can find it from there. And before we start with the DNB passing percentage, okay, there are few updates as of now. A few moments back, Telangana state, which is an open state, has released its prospectus and the schedule for government quota counseling. Like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana will also conduct two different counseling for government quota and management quota. So they have released only for government quota, and the candidates who are from Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, both candidates can participate for Cat A seat in Telangana. Last year, from last year, as per the decision judgment given by the High Court, because in Telangana, regarding the fee structure, similar as Andhra Pradesh, there is court case going on, and there are two parties, and it has been requested to reduce the tuition fee. For the time being, for the benefit of candidates or students, they have fixed the tuition fee, and the reduced tuition fee for B CAT from 23 lakhs to 14.5, and for A CAT is around 4 lakhs. Okay, so that will be the tuition fee. Those who are interested to go for, or like who are from Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, they only can register for Telangana State Counseling for government quota seats. It's not applicable for outsiders. For because Telangana is open state, for outsiders they will open a separate registration and the brochure will be published. And I will be notifying that also. Another update regarding Tamil Nadu State Counseling. 26 was the last date to submit the application, but they have extended it up to 29th. So up to 29th you can submit the application. And regarding EWS, on 13th we have the Supreme Court hearing, and we got to know that the document had to be submitted from Government of India regarding their submission and all in the Madras High Court. So it has been submitted. So that's what they were waiting on, and soon we can get a date for the next step on the NMC bill court case in Madras High Court. So we are expecting some judgment or decision to come on 26th of August. So 23rd and after few days. And if we assume that on 1st of September the counseling is going to start, then it looks highly impossible as per the schedule. If they don't postpone it, it looks highly impossible that the NMC will get implemented. Okay, because if those parties from Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry state colleges representative, they are going to Supreme Court, it will take so much of time, and there is no much of time left. Okay, now coming to the main topic of the video. So there are 51 subjects. Okay, and for these subjects, the session June 2020, December 2020 and June 2021, for these three last session, the result is available here, you can see, and it's taken from the official channel and the trustworthy channel. I can share you the details also. If you want, you can ask in the comment section. I can share you the link as well. So for final DNB theory exam for the last three session, for anesthesia, the passing rate has reduced. In 2020 it was 80%, and in 2020 December it was 48, and anesthesia now is 42. First, let's take a look at high level look on the major branches where the more number of seats are there. In dermatology, it's a high percentage of passing, 86 or approx 87%. So no problem. In family medicine, 75 plus. That's not an issue. Coming to general medicine, the passing percentage is good, 73%. In general surgery, it's 68% acceptable, and in case of OBGY is 89%, very good. Ophthalmology is 65%, and for orthopedics it's very bad, or I'll say it's worst, just 18%. Out of 595 candidates, 107 candidates just passed the examination. In case of ENT, still is very bad, 33%. So these are the danger zone: orthopedics, ENT. Pediatric surgery is 100%. Pediatrics is 36%, and it has been poor continuously in last 3 sessions. Talking about some other branches like psychiatry, 66%, which was earlier 80 or more than 80. Radio diagnosis is 67%, which is reduced from last 2 sessions. Radio oncology 66%. TB and chest respiratory medicine up to 80%. So that's good. Coming to some other like emergency medicine is 39%, which was earlier 64 in the previous session. So it's also bad passing rate. So these are some major branches. So the danger zone is ortho and ENT. Then you will see some emergency medicine. OBGY medicine and pediatric is also in danger zone, 36%. Okay, so this is high level view. See why this there is a matter of discussion why the passing rate is poor in DNB, and it's not improving that much. So somewhere NB is the authority to approve or give the accreditation to all these hospitals. So if the hospitals are not up to the mark, the students are not able to learn the things, and when they are to face the theory paper, and after theory the practical examination, which is not in the same institute, but they need to take the examination in other states, maybe they will also face language issue, because if you're studying in Delhi, it's not necessary that your external examination would be in Hindi speaking states. It might be in Kerala also or Tamil Nadu. So the things need to be taken care, and before accrediting, just for the namesake increasing more seats in DNB, they should give more focus on improving the quality also. So that might be the solution. Okay, if what idea you have regarding this, you can comment us in the comment section of the video. Okay, so that's all wanted to share, and if you want to know the source of this information, I'll share you the link. You can ask in the comment section, and if you hit the if you like this information, because this is useful information, you can share the video within your groups so that it reaches to everyone. And before choosing a branch in DNB particularly, you need to be you need to have so much of information regarding passing percentage and all, so that you don't repent it later. In case you are having options to go for very average or even the last government college in such a subject where the passing rate is very poor in DNB, so you must be having like better idea now which one to select on what factors. Okay, so that's all from my side, and if you are still looking for the paid counseling guidance, the number is 9319128677. Let me give you summary how many states have released its application. First Pondicherry, Kerala, second, third Andhra Pradesh for both category A and category B and NRI, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Punjab. Okay, so these many states have released its application. Applications were expected from the state of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry because they released last year also before All India registration started. But this year we have seen the schedule for All India is very tight, and because application will also have will have to face so much of load during registration process, so the states are trying to fill all these kind of limitations in the software beforehand so that the registration is done. So ultimately what I'm trying to say that more states can release their registration and prospectus, and it can be your states where you are targeting. So there is no need to wait for anything. The candidates, I know there are many candidates who are waiting for NMC bill to come. Okay, but you need to think practically. If it doesn't come, then it should not be too late for you. Okay, so you have to keep all your analysis ready, and what are the next steps need to be taken. Without NMC bill and with NMC bill, it will be a different scenario altogether. All the videos that I have put on the channel regarding analysis, cutoff, and all such things will be scrapped out if NMC bill comes into picture. It will be purely new thing, new kind of counseling. Okay, but it looks not very practical that it will come. So with this note, I'm going to conclude this video, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.